What's good everyone, welcome back to the channel, Mr. Whisper here. Today I want to share my thoughts on the 6 litre Rogue Sling camera bag by Wandrd. I know it's been out for a while, however I was gifted the bag by the lovely folks over at Three Legged Thing earlier this year and have been meaning to pull together a non-sponsored video about it for some time now. So here we are. Especially with the upcoming season, I think the timing couldn't be better for this review. I've had the bag for just over 6 months now, and despite it taking a while for it to grow on me, I really think in the coming months it will be in its element. Whether you're new to street photography or have been shooting for a while, this well-designed, versatile bag has got something for everyone. So let's dive in. So what I like about the 6 litre Rogue is it's structured and spacious enough to carry the essentials. For a street photographer, this bag is the perfect size. It's sleek, durable and ready for any weather. The material here is water resistant, not waterproof. However, I can say I've been caught out in some pretty torrential conditions with this bag and it's kept my camera gear completely dry. I do have a waterproof camera bag. This is the Hadley Digital by Billingham, and I'm planning to do a comparison video between the two bags in the coming months. Do drop a comment below if you feel that that video would be of interest to you guys. If so, then we'll make it happen. I really appreciate that the bag doesn't scream camera bag, which is ideal for staying low profile, and for street photography it's a huge plus, not to attract any unnecessary attention. It's designed to be rugged yet stylish, subtleish branding, but I wish it was smaller. High quality zippers and a matte black finish to give it a modern, understated look. Wandrd nailed the balance between form and function. Although originally I felt like the bag was too bulky, and I know ideally you're supposed to carry the bag across your back, but I'm from London and I often shoot in heavy crowds, so I feel much safer with the bag strapped across my front. Once the camera's in hand, I'm happy to sling the bag around my back. Let's take a look inside. The design has been very well thought out. I like the fact that the top compartment zip is covered and so doesn't scratch any of the gear you put inside. You've got enough space here for a full frame or mirrorless camera. I've got my largest prime, the XF56mm f1.2 attached to my X-T5 and an additional lens which is my XF33mm f1.4. And both have their third-party hoods attached and there's still some room to fit some additional bits and bobs. This dedicated accessories compartment at the back is perfect for your essential smaller items like extra SDs and batteries, which is exactly what I need for a day or night out shooting. The 6 litre Rogue is well padded, which keeps its silhouette from sagging even when it's empty, and has these well padded dividers that keep everything secure even if you're constantly on the move. This is where the 6 litre Rogue really shines. Comfort. It has an adjustable shoulder strap that's very comfortable even when the bag is fully packed. It's got a padded handle on the top and 2 rugged handles on each side which you can strap other accessories onto. So even when you're not wearing the bag, it's really easy to carry. And check this out. Here's what really sealed the deal for me. I need a bag that can carry more than just camera gear. There's this clever, dedicated compartment that easily fits a 16-inch, however I use it for my 13-inch laptop, or a tablet. It's great for quickly pulling out my device during workshops. The matching laptop case, which is sold separately, isn't your ordinary laptop case. In fact, it's pretty ingenious. It transforms into an ergonomic stand for your laptop, which is super convenient when working on the go. Also, another favourite feature of mine, it's got this expandable sleeve which can carry that all-important tripod or an umbrella or water bottle, which is what I've been mainly using it for. It's got a slimline pocket on the outside which in all honesty, once the bag is full, you can't fit that much in. So I generally just keep my cleaning cloth in there for easy access. Having this all-in-one solution means I can travel light and still have everything I need for client meetings and my workshop sessions. In the 6 months or more that I've had the bag, there have been some very minimal signs of wear and tear, which is extremely good for the heavy usage I've put it through. It's worth noting Wandrd does offer other sizes in this Rogue Sling format, a smaller 3 litre and a larger 9 litre. I did actually pick up the 3 litre myself, and I was going to use it for a dedicated bag for my X100VI. However, it turned out to be too small to hold anything other than the camera, so I ended up returning it. So if you're a photographer, the 6 litre Rogue Sling by Wandrd could be the perfect camera bag for you. It's got the right balance of size, durability and functionality for anyone who wants to head out without carrying a ton of gear. It's lightweight, comfortable and doesn't weigh you down, which is crucial when you're moving from one location to another. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more street photography tips and gear breakdowns in the future. See you in the next one. Mr. Whisper over and out. Peace.